Hello everyone. Today I will teach you how to create a shutdown button on your desktop. So follow these steps. Right click on an empty area of your desktop and select New from the context menu. Choose Shortcut from the submenu. In the Create Shortcut window, enter the following command. This command will initiate a shutdown of your PC immediately when the button is clicked. Click the next button. Provide a name for the shortcut, such as shutdown or turn off. Click the Finish button to create the shortcut on your desktop. Now, whenever you double-click on the created shortcut, it will initiate a shutdown of your PC. Please note that creating a shutdown button directly on your desktop can have security implications. Ensure that you use this feature responsibly and take necessary precautions to prevent accidental or unauthorized shutdowns of your computer.